What's up guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing here with some information about our brand new CD009 Swap shifter. So if you're swapping the Nissan 6-speed into any car or going to be swapping in, you need to check this out. This is a revolutionary shifter. It's going to change the game for all swap shifters for the CD009, JK, CD001, all the way through. So it works with all of the Nissan 6-speeds that are commonly swapped in that classification. So covers you everything from 2003Z all the way up to 370Z, even G37, even the brand new Zs. So this shifter will work on all those transmissions and make swapping it into just about any chassis and combination super easy, really reliable, and a really high performance feel. Let's take a closer look. So there's a lot of great features that set this shifter apart from any other shifter on the market for this particular transmission. Because there's so many benefits, let's start with the basics. We only use the highest quality materials possible with US sourced 6061, 7075 aluminum, as well as 304 stainless steel. So the Octagon system on the shifter is pretty neat. It allows you to get so many different combinations of shift rods, levers, locations, even left to right, front to back. So opens it up to make this shifter super flexible to fit just about any application you can come up with. The shifter also features our reverse lockout system, which is unique to the market because it doesn't plunge the whole shift mechanism like everybody else does, just the top part of the rod. You can make sure you never have to worry about slamming in reverse when you're hitting 6th gear. So this opens you up to a lot of options. Main one including that you can run up to a 3.5-inch drive shaft or a 1350 drive shaft yoke without any concerns of clearance or hitting your drive shaft. The other benefit of our reverse lockout system and the fact that it doesn't drop the whole shifter is we are able to maintain maximum width in our shift gates. Common problem in all CD009 shifters on the market right now is they're very tight gates, meaning your left to right motion. Sometimes it can be confusing if you're going in a second, fifth, or whatever gear you're trying to get. No matter what, the wider that gate is, it doesn't slow your shift down, but it allows a bit more confidence when you're going to bang that next gear. And that's a key feature of this reverse lockout system. There's another key feature that really separates this shifter from everything else on the market, and that would be the fact that we use boots to isolate and protect all the moving components of the shifter. So we have a boot on the top that protects the pivot and the springs and all the motion from getting dirt and grime and stones or whatever's flying around on your car. Same thing on the bottom, we've got another one to protect the bottom side, and we even have one on the shift mechanism which really protects the motion and the pivot of this shifter and keeps that nice, smooth, crisp feeling for the life of the shifter. This shifter comes with everything you're going to need to install this on your Nissan 6-speed transmission, including high-grade hardware, dowel pin, the appropriate spacers for depending on which generation of CD009 you have, and the actual shift body itself. No other CD009 shifter manufacturer on the market is doing this or protecting their shifter the way we are, which ensures that your shifter is going to last longer and feel better than all the competition. At the time of this video, we currently offer 3 different offsets, 1-inch, 2-inch, and 3-inch. So you can take this offset adapter and rotate it 360 degrees. So if you need to go further forward, further backward, sideways, doesn't matter. You can make this work pretty simple, bolting it onto the top of this shift rod. So, and then what that allows you to do is then adapt the different shift levers we make. We have a straight plain rod that's going to come straight up from the top of this rod that utilizes our clamp system to bolt this rod to that, or you can adapt to a common 2-bolt adapter that fits just about any of the shift rods out there that we make for the Tremec transmissions, as well as any other manufacturer for the Tremec. So there's another myriad of shift lever options to get exactly what you want. And we're likely going to be developing more shift rods and options throughout this next couple years to fit this particular shifter design. So just stay tuned for those changes, and if you need something you don't see on the website, always reach out to us, sales@sikky.com. All these shifter components are designed and manufactured right here in our facility in Baltimore, Maryland in the USA. Be sure to check out our install guide where we walk you through how to install this properly on your Nissan 6-speed transmission. To find out more about the shifter and why you need to use this on your next 6-speed Nissan transmission swap, log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.